Yo, what's up, guys? It's International O back at it with another one. You know what you got to do. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Goes a long way and is greatly appreciated. Today, I am doing a review on a shoe, man. This shoe is a beauty. The details, everything about it, the box, the packaging, top notch. Top notch. A little history. This shoe actually was made and inspired by the Army, the U.S. Army. In 1999, the owner of Sneaker Politics, Derek Curry, served in the military, in the Army. And in 2003, he was deployed to Iraq for 9 months to serve for our country. Fast forward 3 years later, 2006, I think August 1st of 2006, he opened up Sneaker Politics in Lafayette, Louisiana. And they have had multiple collabs with different brands and also activations I've seen with the Jordan brand for the Hurricane Katrina for the threes. They had the I think it was the Beignet for the Saucony. I mean, they've had a lot of dope collabs, a lot of great activations. They also have the Kickback Sundays. So if you live in Dallas, Lafayette, New Orleans, Austin, you should also want to go and check out their Kickback Sundays, where they do a lot of dope things for the community, man, and the store and their customers. With this shoe, they did a raffle. They did an in-store activation for active military, and they did a drop early. And then you could also, as a customer, go in and pick a pair up in store. I did the online raffle because I do not live there. I think the closest one is Austin for me. I did a raffle. I actually hit on the raffle on early in the morning, but I missed it. And I reached out to them, and I was like maybe a few minutes off, but I guess they had pairs that were maybe bought or restock, and they told me to go back and check again, and I kept checking and trying, and it was actually there. So shout out to the good people at Sneaker Politics. Like I said, I'm assuming they had pairs left over, and they looked out for a few people online because I tweeted them, and a couple people chimed in on my tweet, and I think they was able to get a pair as well. So shout out to the good people at Sneaker Politics for that. I love when brands interact on social media and look out for their customers. I've been shopping with Sneaker Politics since 2014, so 8 years now. And enough of that, let's get to the shoe, man. See the box. See the branding on the box, man. I like the military. Like I said, they're called Always Ready. They're Asics Always Ready Gel Lyte III OG. Open up the box. There's a thank you here on the box. I'm not going to read all of it. If you guys want to take that and pause it and maybe get the read of it, you guys can check that out. Yes. So let's get to the shoe. And here we are. Asics Gel Lyte III. Always ready. You can see that, man. These are beauties. Now the interesting thing is a lot of details on the shoe. As you can see here on the toe, it has like a piece of the American flag. It has the stars. Then on this one, you see the stripes here on the toe box. Now on both shoes, you see an 8/1/2006, and that is when Sneaker Politics opened their store. So shout out to Sneaker Politics, Derek Curry. Then here on the back, you see the Gel Lyte III. These are actual, you can take these off. These are Velcro patches. And the interesting thing is it came with extra patches, and it also came with dog tags, military tags, and so it has like a P, the Sneaker Politics logo, laces, black laces, green laces. I like these laces in here, but I think I might, because it does make it pop. It goes with the sole of the shoe. It kind of has like an off-white. It's not like a white. It's kind of an off-white kind of vintage look to it. And I might leave these in here, or I might go black laces. I'm not quite sure. I'm kind of debating. I might put one on the other and just see how it looks. Then here on the back, it has the Politics branding on the back of the Asics. I don't know what it is. It's something about that too. Also, when you do a collab with a brand, sometimes if you do a collab with a brand and they have their logos all over it and their branding all over it, and not the company or brand or person they did the collab with, to me it just seems like sometimes it could be a shoe they just say, hey, this is your collab and go with it. But to me, it just seems a little more special when you have your branding logo on it as well, and even on the box and the packaging. But they knocked it out the park with these. Here on the insole, it says thank you. It's the same on both of them, but they knocked it out the park with these Asics, man. Funny thing is, in 2000 and I think it was 14 or 15. I think this was actually my first purchase with Sneaker Politics, if I'm not mistaken. I bought these from them, the Rasta Gel Lyte III. So it's funny, full surface. You start off with one and then you back with one again. And then I also bought a couple of pair of my Strange Fruit Saucony Pusha T collabs with them as well. I think I make 2 of the 4 colorways I have with them. But this shoe, man, beauty. And it's funny because it had like that green camo, so it kind of has it like the materials. You got the nice suede nubuck, and then you have that canvas material here on the toe box. So this is more of a canvas surrounded with the nubuck around the shoe, but the materials are nice. I'm not sure if they're going to release these with other retailers. So if they are, I'll actually reach out to them and ask and keep your eyes peeled, and I'll update you guys. Follow me on Instagram or Twitter at International O. But I know they had them. Like I said, I don't know if other retailers will have them at a later date, because sometimes they do that with collabs, but we all shall find out. But if you got them, I know you love them. They're beauties. They're beautiful. If you missed out, you know, you can see if they're coming out with a later date, or you can check the aftermarket. I think last time I checked on StockX, they were like a little over $200, but it's worth it. This is a beautiful shoe. If you like Asics or you wear different brands, this would be one for you. And that is pretty much it. I thank you guys for tuning in. And like I said, hit that like, hit that subscribe button. And also I'm gonna put a link to my TikTok. I got TikTok. I do short vids on TikTok as well. And until the next video, you guys be cool.